The smart meter system is made up of two parts. The smart meters, which replace your traditional gas and electricity meters, and the in-home display, a portable screen that shows you how much gas and electricity you're using and how much it's costing you. Both parts of the system work together to ensure you receive accurate information about your energy use. Your smart meter records your electricity use in near real time and every half hour for gas. The meter then securely shares these readings automatically with your in-home display for you to see. You can choose how often your meter readings are sent to your supplier. Speak to them to find out your options. The more frequently your supplier receives this data, the better they will understand how much energy is being used around the country and when. With this information, they can buy more accurate amounts of energy to supply to their customers, helping to make our energy system more efficient.